Hope you're ready to get some tips for making fast passes. Let's hit that intro.
Caleb.
A Day with Caleb here, and today we are doing some Disney tips, specifically getting a fast pass. So Disneyland and Disney World are different as far as their fast pass system goes. Disneyland still has paper fast passes, as you can see there. Disney World is more digital. You have on your phone, you have on a magic band. It's just easier. Not taking away anything from Disneyland. If you have the Max Pass, which is on your phone, much easier. But if you don't have an annual pass to Disneyland, it is a charge, like $12 a day now, I believe, per person, per day. So it is costly, but it is cool. But today we'll be talking about Disney World Fast Pass, because we have the luxury, or in some cases curse. You can do it 60 days out if you have a resort, which we'll get to, and then 30 days out if you're an annual pass holder. Then some people come into the park day of and get fast passes. So we'll break all that down in this video. Most importantly with fast passes is you need a ticket or annual pass. Secondly, if you want 60 days out, you need a resort, a Disney resort, because you can get 60 days in advance for fast passes if you're at a Disney resort. If you don't have a Disney resort, it's 30 days. So these are just some general tips and guidelines for fast passes. You can pause at any moment and read these. I will go over most of this information, but it's just good to have an overall view. And these tips are, of course, from my Disney Experience app, which you need in order to make FastPass selections. So, most importantly, like I said, you need the Disney Resort, you need tickets or annual passes, obviously, to link everybody together. And to make FastPass selections, you need at least your tickets. I would recommend, if at all possible, staying at a resort to get the 60 days out, just to give you more of an advantage. If you have multiple people in your party, you need to link everybody to your app before the 60 days out. So have everybody together, link everybody. It's pretty simple to do. Make sure everybody that's going on the trip is linked. Like here, I have 3 people. Only 2 are selected because that's the two that were needed for this fast pass selection. You have the 4 parks, you have the date. You go in, it tells you what options are still available because the big ones go fairly fast at that 60-day window. This is day of, just to give y'all an example. You have the times listed. You want to get the earliest time possible because you have 3 fast pass selections per day. But after those 3 are used, you can get a fast pass for any park. Say this is Epcot, I used the 3 at Epcot. Look on the app and see that there's a fast pass for Animal Kingdom. I can go and make that selection and go to Animal Kingdom. If the fast passes are spread out, say one's 10 a.m., one's 12, and then one's 5 p.m., it will not help you. And you want to avoid these big crowds, and fast passes are a good way to do that. You see there the magic band for your fast pass. Then these are kiosks around the park. I use my phone a lot of the times, but this does help you. It gives you an overview of your fast pass selections, or you can make more, or you can customize and see what's out there as far as fast pass selections if you're not happy with one of the 3 you made. So Seven Dwarf Mine Train is a big one to get. 60 days out, I woke up at 6 a.m. because 7 a.m. was the turn-on point as far as getting fast passes. You want to sit down with your family or your group that's going, decide for each park which ones are most important to get. And I start with the last day first because the last day you'll get a better chance to get those high tier fast passes on the last day. Everybody's gunning for that first day first. And so once you get to the last day, you might not have anything, whereas if you start the last day and work back, you will. So make a list of what's important to you, link everybody together, and then one person just has to get up and make that sacrifice if you are at a resort. If you're 30 days out, the same principles apply. Make a list of ones that you want to ride, have contingency plans in place in case those are not available, and keep checking throughout the day. Let's say you have Navi River Journey and your second fast pass is Nemo. Just keep checking the app. Some people cancel for all types of reasons, but you want to keep checking so you can get that selection as soon as possible. So let's see. Have number 1 options for each park. Plan out what park you're going to on each day so that person can make the right fast pass selections for that day, because that just makes sense. So have a game plan before. Make sure everybody's linked. Make sure you know which ones you're wanting to do, and just have fun with it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this Disney video on getting fast passes. I hope it was helpful and informative. That's all the rage these days, is getting it 60 days out, or as quick as possible and getting the best fast passes, and there's tiers and all these things. Hope it was helpful and will help you in getting fast passes for your upcoming vacation. If you did think it was good and informative, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe down below, or wait to the end where you can click on the subscribe button, and you can get new Disney content, Disney videos, hunting videos if you're into media, and all kinds of cool videos for you in the future. Tuesday, Thursday, sometimes Saturday at 1 p.m. So, hope you enjoyed it. If another person you know is planning a trip and they're wanting fast passes, share this video with them. And I will see y'all later, guys. Bye.